Okay, today I got the ZB's 62 inch. First of all, I removed this outside cover right here. There's two bolts right there that I removed. And where did I put it at? This is what it looked like. It's gonna look like this part right there. And I removed this and this. So that and that. I removed it like a couple weeks ago. I had to order this belt right there. It's actually, you know, I ordered from the manufacturer. Katrina, you scared me. My dog come behind me. But anyway, you can get this, I'll be honest with you, you can get this from eBay. 8PK1740. That's the belt number. And this belt, if you order from the manufacturer, actually I couldn't remember some name. I'll link it below. The manufacturer, ZB's it's not. I don't think ZB's is in business anymore. They sold it to somebody else. Katrina, come here, go. And then so this is only $19. If you buy it from the manufacturer, you're paying like $70, 69 something. So I'm like, okay. And it took you about 2 weeks to get here. That's kind of sad. But anyway, and then you're gonna take this pulley out. There's 5 bolts there. I don't exactly remember the size of it. Let me see. I think it's number oh my god. No, it's not 1116. I got it down here. Like I said, I took it out last week. I almost forgot how to do it now. It's number 16. So number 16, and you need a 16 on the other side so you can get it out. And in order to get this, well, mine broke. So I took it out like that so I know what's going on. I thought it was something else because it doesn't move. So you got to take this old deck belt out right there. You can see this deck belt right there. So you got to go to the front and loosen the front. I'm not sure how to lose it yet, but this is my first time. Bear with me. So there's something I'm gonna have to learn and how to remove it and stuff like that. I'm not a professional at this thing, but I am taking it out now. Whew, I didn't got my lights. So come over here. You just pick this part up right there and pick this up, and then here's all my screw and stuff. I totally forgot about how to use this. Well, now the belt, you can literally, pretty simple. It's already loose already. Just go like this. It's not that tight. Let me see. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to go like this part. Yep, that's pretty easy. Pull it out like this and let it come up like that, and then now you be able to lose it like this much, and you go to the back. Let me tell you again, I'm not a professional at this. So now I'm gonna reach over there, grab the belt right there and put it down. Put it up, actually, up or down. I'm gonna try to go down, see what happened. So what I did, I put my hands underneath there and push the belt back, and then kind of grab it like this and push it down. You don't have to take anything out. I thought this gonna interfere. I might have to take it out, but I didn't have to. So put it down like that, and then try to shove the belt in. I think the best bet is just to take this piece out, the bolt out right there. Where's my hand at? Right here, right there. There's 2 of this right there. You don't have to take this one out, but you can take the... It used 2 floor jack. First I lift this up a little bit because it's right there, uneven dirt. I did put 2 jacks just in case. I didn't have a jack stand, so using a 3-ton, you don't have to use that crazy size, but you can literally lift it up right here and put a jack stand right there. But I use this because I don't know where my jack's at. So now I be able to go up here and remove this 16. Yep, and then kind of take it out. Take this too. Right now, since I moved that to the side a little bit right there. Since I moved that, I'll be able to access. I can be able to go in and put the belt inside, and then go to this one. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that yet. I'll probably start from this side first, and then this, and then I'll see. I don't know yet. I started by twisting it in like so, like this, and then be able to get it up there. I might got it. No, I got it right. I thought I got it wrong. Now I'll be able to pull the belt out here, this side, right there, like so. Pull it out. Make sure it's gonna stay up there. It's hard to do a video right here. Now I'm gonna try to go up here, twist it like this to go up there on the one of the hydraulic, and then that side, and then I put my pulley back. You get that much out, you want to put that deck belt back in there, and then tighten everything right here, this one and this one right there, and make sure this is tight in there so it don't come off again. So here, like that, what it look like right there, this what gotta be tight right there. And here, I'm gonna mention that again, this is my first time, so it's not simple. I mean, I am a graduate from automotive maybe 20 years ago, and I mean, that's a different thing, but I mean, it's all just look at it and kind of learn through that. Now while you're trying to tighten this piece down right here, you want to use some sort of metal or something to hold that while you tighten it. It'd be great you have two people, but if you don't, just push this out to the left and then tighten it. Now while you're doing that, I like to adjust this closer. Early in the beginning, I shouldn't do that. I should just lift it up and adjust that. You want a 16-inch. Once you loosen this 16-inch, this size, 16 millimeter, and then you can tighten that back. Make sure it's all tight. You see how close I put it right there? I'm put it almost 1/16 of an inch. No, 1/8 of an inch. Close to the whatever that thing called, shaft, I guess. Yeah, whatever that called. Now what I would do, I'm gonna try to shove this thing in first. I'm gonna look on the top. The middle one's gonna look like this. It should match each other. I couldn't remember which side go first, but I'm trying to because it's going like this somehow. Come on, baby. Let me try to fit this thing up. Maybe that go in like that. Yep. You put this down like this. Down, that's going down, and then this going first. Right there. I'm gonna shove it up like that. And find the bolt, trying to lock the bolt together. In order to get that in there, you want to lift this part up right there, the park back over here, and not the park. This rod, whatever that is called, that's lock the wheel, and not to lock the wheel. Push this back in there so you can reach it up here. Here's a mistake I made. I thought it's easier to put that in first. No, you gotta put everything in and then put this screw underneath and then put it later. You gotta put the pulley in first. Don't with it. Not, I mean, you can't put it just like that later. That don't work. As you can see right here, you can't fit in there. Wish you can, but you can't. So I guess it's pretty difficult. I'm gonna remove this piece right there. Maybe it's better because right here it looks like it's kind of hard to fit. I might have to take all these out, but make sure you're not messing with the moving this part right there, because that's gonna move your steering. You don't want to do that. So I'm gonna remove this piece, and then I might have to do this too. So I took a 16-inch wrench and a 16-inch wrench over here. I'm gonna put it back temporary because I don't want to lose anything, or you know, maybe I won't get it done today, so I'll lose something. So I'm put it back in right now. I end up taking the pin out of this. Right here's the pin. Taking it out and pick it up and move that too, and put the pin right back in temporary. Like I said, I don't want to lose any tools. So what I did, I shoved the pulley out, and then this metal right here, I kind of curved this side and then go back this way. But remember, take this out. So the hardest part is trying to get this aligned and trying to make sure the belt is right in there. And I'm not sure the other belt is good over there or not, but I'm gonna check it out. Hopefully it is. And gosh, it's tough. But I'm gonna tighten the middle one, the middle screw. I'm gonna tighten that first and see, and make sure this align back to align it in. Not align, the center right here. I don't want to make this video for a long time. I mean, I can't record everything all the time, but I'm trying to get it aligned, and then once it's aligned, I'm gonna tighten this and just other stuff. I don't know what other stuff I'm gonna adjust. Before you tighten this all the way, you want to put this bolt right there in there, align one of them first, so you don't have any other issue. So do not tighten it yet until you get these in there. Alright, I make a mistake. Yes, you can see right there. You're supposed to push this that way. I should have read instruction first before I do this. Gosh, because what happened, I can see, if I move this way, if I move it this way, actually it's kind of tight that way. Did I do it right? But that ain't right. Because the way it's spin, I'm not sure which way it's spin. Let's see if I spin it like this. Yeah, that's wrong right there. Because I think it's spin clockwise like this, not counter. No, this is clockwise. This is counter. I'm gonna check this out. This is a little bit. After struggling with this, you're gonna have to take this middle one out first, because I'm having problem trying to snug it in. Earlier I got it wrong way. You want it on the you wanna fit the belt from the if you're looking from behind here, it's from the right side, not the left side. I got confused. Like I said, I didn't take it out. It was broke, the belt broke, so I didn't know exactly what it looked like. So we're gonna try to shove that thing in this piece from the right side, not the left, the right. I was be able to I'm gonna put some light on here. It's kind of getting dark already. I got the belt going that way. As you can see the outside, the inside, and then this going like that. And then I got the middle one right here done. I'm gonna screw all the four bolt in there, nuts and bolts. And then I think that's it. I can't see this part of my video like this, so it's gonna be a bit tough. So belt right there, looking good up there. Make sure it's aligned and it's inside there. I don't know if it is. No, it ain't. I'm gonna adjust that. Oh yeah, this is a tough one. But like I said, I'm not gonna pay somebody to do it. I'm gonna do it myself, because they gonna say, I never heard of that engine before, I never heard of that brand before. That's all they telling me. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do it myself then, you know. Now tighten everything. I'm gonna put the combination wrench and hold it right there, and then just use this wrench right there and start spinning without having to hold both hands. Ouch. Best to do is to wear gloves, guys. I hate wearing gloves, but you know, I'm just telling you, if you don't want to hurt yourself. Yes, on the other side you want the wrench on the top, and then the combination wrench on the bottom, and kind of hold with the bottom hand and hold it up, and then tighten it. So that's what it looked like. I'm not 100% sure. Don't take my way of doing it yet until I adjust it. Now this thing I know is tight like this, but it's a little bit loose. I don't understand that. That's probably why the reason that thing, yeah, it's pretty loose. Oh, I see why it's loose, because this thing is not adjusted tight. When you pull it, it feels like it's tightened. Yes, so that's probably why it's loose. So I'm gonna put everything up. I'm gonna tighten this thing, loosen this thing up, and then tighten this thing some more so it can pull tight. It seemed like the reason why the belt is hitting is probably hitting this piece right there, but that's how they make it, so that's probably why they have so much problem with the belt. Like right here, it's so close. I'm not sure if somebody on a weekend thing or something, like maybe this piece supposed to be on the opposite side, this nuts right there, but I don't know. I haven't seen the other one yet, and if you guys got any clue, let me know. I mean, I don't know. It doesn't, I mean, it's going one side. It should be opposite side of each other. The one that you can tighten, the one that's a bolt right there. So I don't know, guys. Share your input right here, as this is the first one. I mean, if you found something easier or something that you can do, let me know. But I know this part, when I got it, it's like this. I remember this part, but I don't recall that part because the belt broke. So